Air traffic controllers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Air traffic controllers coordinate the movement of aircraft to maintain safe distances between them. Work environment. Air traffic controllers work in control towers, approach control facilities, or route centers. Their work can be stressful because they always need a maximum concentration. The rotating shifts are common at night, at weekends. How to become one? It is possible to become an air traffic controller in several ways. Candidates typically need an associate's or bachelor's degree from the Air Traffic Collegiate Training Initiative program. Other applicants must have 3 years of gradually responsible work experience, 4 years of college, or both. One must also be a citizen of the US ATAC exams and courses at the Federal Aviation Administration FAA Academy for medical and background checking. Salary. The median annual wage for air traffic controllers is $122,990. Job outlook. In the following 10 years, the number of air traffic controls will increase by 1%, down from the average for all businesses. There are expected to be very strong competition for air traffic controller jobs, with many applicants applying for relatively small numbers of jobs. Other requirements. Pass Air Traffic Standardized Aptitude Test ATS-AT complete 2 to 5 months training at FAA Academy. Certification. Must obtain Air Traffic Control Tower Operator Certificate to work independently. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.